On your left now is a very popular place to pull over. There'll always be a lot of parked cars in this area. Try and go past with plenty of space. Ideally it would be a door's width. If you can't use a door's width, reduce your pace. Less space, less pace. At the next roundabout then, we're going to use the right hand side of the road so that we can go ahead into the second lane. This is lined up for our second roundabout. The first roundabout is called Bailey's Corner. The second roundabout is Bruce Street Bridges. Using this lane then will allow us to now take our second exit. This would be the correct exit for going towards the outlet, Rodbourne, or as we're doing on this occasion, going right to West Swindon. We've used the right signal until this point. Now after effective observations, we're changing to a left signal. Note the Range Rover speeding up so that they can cut into our lane because of the car obstructing them that was going towards Cheney Manor. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.